to you at 7:42. We have a lovely morning and a great weekend on the way. Today in our Back to School series, the stain test. After you spend a pretty penny on school clothes, the last thing a parent wants to see is a big old grass stain. So the problem solvers went to the lab with an expert to learn the science of fighting stains. Stains just come with kids. What sets parents apart is how we treat them. Enter Dr. Andrew Bonham, chemistry professor at Metro State and a new dad. We asked him to show us how to fight 4 stains. We have juice, pen, grass stains, and ketchup because that tomato. The 2 best options, breaking the stain up or rinsing it away. We'll start with a playground perennial, the grass stain.
If I have a stubborn grass stain, I'll start by wetting the fabric. Most stains are easier to deal with when they're wet rather than dry. Once the fabric's wet, I'm going to get maybe even a little laundry detergent and just rub it on there. Really rub the fabric between my fingers, really try to grind that laundry detergent in, and then I'm going to let it sit for maybe 10 to 15 minutes to get really in there. Then I'm going to try to rinse it out, usually with warm water and vigorous scrubbing.
It took some work and a couple of tries.
So I'm going to add a little bleach and again scrub. And there we go. The green has gone away.
Now, ketchup.
Ketchup has the problem of both being colored and having lots of little particulate parts.
You can see them. What about juice? All that food coloring.
I would start with soaking it. Stains are much easier to get out when they're wet. And then maybe a dilute solution of soap, so household detergent or laundry soap, and maybe just a little bit of bleach.
What we didn't know, natural food colorings are actually harder to remove. But here's where bleach really shines. Watch how it dissolves the color in this experiment.
And in a matter of seconds, you're going to see that that bright yellow color is going to fade away completely.
Dr. Bonham says blue color is the hardest to crack. And now for our toughest stain, ballpoint pen.
Generally, to get rid of pen, we're going to have to resort to something more dramatic, like dry cleaning fluid.
Though our soaking, scrubbing, and bleaching helped,
Despite my scrubbing,
it really just faded the ink.
yeah, other than the pen, we were able to get most of these stains out and ready to use again.
Well, pocket squares all ready to go. Dr. Bonham says instruct your kids to get a stain a little bit wet when it happens, and that'll make it much easier for you to clean it later. So tell them, hey, take a quick stop in the restroom, even the drinking fountain, because getting it wet after it happens will make it 10 times easier.
It's interesting because I've always heard from a lot of people, oh, if you get it wet, it helps set the stain.
I know, and I asked him specifically about that, and he
no.
said, yeah.
Well, my kids don't know they have a stain until about 5 hours later. So.
Well, that's the thing.
That's
But
the thing.
they will. They will learn to
right.
respect the clothing eventually.
7:46 right now.